I'm the president at the State University of New York at New Paltz.
Okay.
And I've been there just about a year, so this is exciting for me to come home and to get to present to you the first Lifetime Achievement Award coming from the Dorsky Museum. Here you are, sir. Thank you.
Oh, my. Oh, it's delightful. Well, I think to get a Lifetime Achievement Award is always something that, in my time, to have something that comes to you and says, you're a great guy, we like you and all that. And so here I am. I mean, the thing is that Dorsky at one point had a gallery that I showed work in, and he was always getting stuff out there for me and for him, of course. And it was a very good time for me, I would say.
A very good time. Well, this good time extends, and it's coming back with this award, being the first person to get it. And congratulations, and what a pleasure. Now I want to ask you, Dorsky Museum, Sam Dorsky.
Right.
Can you tell me a little bit about how maybe you two met?
Well, that takes me back. At the Museum of Modern Art in New York, a lot of stuff about black artists and stuff like that. Well, he liked my work, but he wanted to see it pushed along, and there were some openings and stuff at the museum there, the Contemporary Museum. There were some group shows, you might say, that I had my work in.
Okay.
And then some other shows that were basically my shows.
So when I think about your shows, I'm going to show you a picture. This is on our campus.
Oh.
That's your work. This is the large hybrid, and it sits in a pretty prominent place on campus and all around it.
Yeah, that's quite something. This piece is, I see it as growing, expanding within the space. The flora and fauna has its own place in it, but the sculpture is there and has its own unique place in it.
Yeah. Your phrase, growing and expanding, that's powerful for me because it makes so much sense on a university campus that we're there for growth and expansion. Mr. Hunt, thank you so very much, and what an honor and pleasure it is.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Absolutely.
All
Thank
right.
you.